Hey, it's Bill Marquardt with Freedom Boat Club. Today we're gonna show you how to roll up a lily pad. So the lily pads range in size from 7 feet to 20 feet and can be a challenge to get back into a tight enough circle to get it back onto the boat and make your way back to the dock. So it's relatively easy to secure lily pads if you're on a dock or you have a lot of space. But on the boat, you don't have that. So the easiest way to roll the lily pad back up, and you'll see this right now, is to jump on the lily pad while you're still anchored, right? So make sure you're still anchored before you do this. Somebody will volunteer, or maybe 2 people can volunteer. They jump on the boat, you tightly secure and start rolling backwards as you make your way back to the end of the lily pad. As they get to the end, it's gonna be right at the boat and it's gonna be wrapped tightly. Somebody will be there to grab it, you secure it, put it back on the boat, make your way back to the dock, and it just makes your life a lot easier.